Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an Xbox One controller. First, let's cover the wired connection, which is often the simplest. Just plug a USB to micro USB cable into your controller and then into your computer or console. This method offers instant recognition and a stable link, perfect for initial setup or if you prefer a consistent, lag-free experience. It's also great for charging your controller while you play. For a wireless connection, Bluetooth is a popular choice for many devices like phones or tablets. First, turn on your controller, then press and hold the small pairing button located on the top edge near the USB port for about 3 seconds. The Xbox button will flash rapidly, indicating it's in pairing mode. Now, on your device, open Bluetooth settings and select Xbox Wireless Controller to connect. If you're on a PC without built-in Bluetooth, or if you prefer a more robust connection, the Xbox wireless adapter is excellent. Simply plug the adapter into an available USB port on your computer. Once installed, press the pairing button on the adapter, then immediately press and hold the pairing button on your Xbox One controller. Both lights will flash, then become solid, indicating a successful, high-performance connection. Encountering connection issues can be frustrating, but many problems have simple solutions. Always confirm your controller has fresh or fully charged batteries. Low power is a common culprit. Try restarting both your controller and the device you are trying to connect to. Additionally, make sure your computer's Bluetooth drivers or Xbox wireless adapter drivers are updated to their latest versions for reliable performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.